Hello, good morning dear students. In the previous class we were discussing about the topic data structures in Python. First, data structure stack and its operations push and pop also we discussed. Then stack is a LIFO data structure, last in first out data structure, and its examples stack implementation examples also we discussed, like pile of books, stack of coins, etc. Then stack operations, push and pop operations and its implementations also we discussed. Today we can discuss about implementation of stack using list. How to implement a stack using list. The implementation of stack using list in Python is the easiest of all programming languages. The basic operations performed on the stacks are given here. Please look into this slide. 5 basic operations are given in this slide. Implementation of stack using list. Okay, 5 operations are the for this implementation. First operation is creating a stack. First operation is creating a stack. If you want to implement a stack, first you should create a stack. Then next operation is push operation, that we already discussed. Adding elements to a stack is known as push operation. First stack will be empty, and after that we can give elements one by one. Okay, that adding elements to a stack process is known as push operation. Then third operation is checking for empty stack, whether the given stack is empty or not. That checking process is known as checking for empty stack. Then fourth operation is deleting elements from a stack. Deleting elements from a stack, that process is known as pop operation. That operation is known as pop operation. Okay, adding elements to a stack, push operation. Deleting elements to a stack, pop operation. Then fifth operation is traversal or displaying a stack. Traversal or displaying a stack. After addition and deletion of elements to a stack, we can display that elements of a stack as output. Okay, that step is known as, or that operation is known as traversal or displaying a stack. These are the 5 basic operations performed on the stack. First one is creating a stack. Second one, push operation, which means adding elements to a stack. Third one, checking for empty stack. Fourth one, deleting elements from a stack. That operation is known as pop operation. Fifth one is traversal or displaying a stack. Okay, these are the 5 basic operations performed on the stack. Next is creating a stack. How to create a stack? We already discussed we can easily create a stack with the help of a list. Okay, in Python, make it flexible and easy to implement a stack using list. When we create a list or when we declare a list, it creates an address in memory and can hold any number of elements. We can create a list. When we create a list, it creates address in memory. Okay, when we create a list, it will create address in memory of a computer and can hold any number of elements in a list. Okay, in order to create an empty stack, we just need to use inbuilt function list of parentheses. List of parentheses. Did you see here? Its syntax also given. Stack equal to list parenthesis, or stack equal to there is a square bracket, which means stack equal to list of parentheses or stack equal to that square bracket, which means an empty stack or a empty list. Did you understand what I say? This is the syntax of a empty stack. Stack equal to list of an empty parenthesis. Empty parenthesis means, which means empty stack or empty list. Okay, then stack equal to empty square bracket, which means it is an empty stack or a empty list. Then if you want to access an element from a stack, we can use index values. Okay, index values can use for accessing elements from a stack. If you want to access first element from a stack, what will be its index value? Stack of 0. If you want to access second element from a stack, its index value will be stack of 1. Third value, stack of 2. Fourth value, stack of 3. Fifth value, stack of 4, like that. Okay, every stack elements has its own index value. Using that index values, we can access each element from a stack. Okay, then adding elements into a stack. How to add a new element into a stack? Adding a new element to the stack list is called push operation. Okay, that we already discussed. Adding a new element to a stack is known as push operation. Deleting an element from a stack is known as pop operation. Okay, adding a new element to the stack list is called push operation. In Python, the list function append, a built-in function append, is used to add elements into the stack. Okay, a built-in function append is used to add elements into the stack. Did you see here in this slide? Its syntax is given: list dot append of x. List dot append of x. What is its meaning here? X is the element to be inserted into the stack and is inserted at the end of the list implemented as a stack. Okay, x is the element, x is the new element to be inserted into the stack and it will insert at the end of the stack. If stack is an empty list, it simply appends element to the stack. Okay, if stack is an empty list, it simply appends element to the stack. Next is algorithm for push operation. Algorithm for push operation, or step-by-step procedure for adding element to a stack. What is algorithm? Step-by-step procedure. What is push operation? Adding an element to a stack. So we can discuss about algorithm for push operation or step-by-step procedure for adding a new element to a stack. Okay, here please look into this slide. 5 steps are given. Okay, every algorithm should start with start and end with end. Okay, in between that start and end, 3 more steps are there. Okay, so we can discuss these steps. First is start, then second step is initialize top with -1. What is top? That we already discussed. In the case of stack, addition and deletion of elements, addition and deletion of elements are possible only at the one end. Okay, that addition and deletions are possible only at one end. That end is called top. So we can initialize top with -1. Did you understand what I say? Initialize top with -1. At the beginning, the stack will be empty, or top will be empty, so we can initialize that top with -1. Okay, then third step is element equal to input of, enter the value to be added in the stack. Element equal to input of, enter the value to be added in the stack. That means we can give that input, we can input any value to the stack for addition. Okay, that is called element. Element equal to input of, enter the value to be added in the stack means we can give any value to the stack. A user can give any value as element. Then fourth step is stack dot append. Stack dot append means that we already discussed. Append is used for addition. Okay, addition of a new element to the stack. So stack dot append of element, which means adding element into the stack list. Okay, stack dot append of element means we are going to insert an element to the stack. Then fifth step is end. Last step is end. Once again, I remind you the structure of stack. Structure, for example, stack of coins. You please remind about stack of coins. Initialize top with -1. Insertion and deletions are possible only at one end. That end is called top. Okay, here initialize top with -1 means top will be empty at the beginning, so it will give as -1. Then element equal to input of enter the value to be added in the stack. We can give any value to the stack. Then adding for code for insertion is stack dot append of element, adding elements into list. Then the final step is end. These are the 5 steps for adding a new element to a stack, or step by step procedure for push operation, or algorithm for push operation. Next topic is checking for empty stack. We already discussed about pop operation. Pop operations means deletion of an element from a stack. Okay, if you want to delete an element from a stack, first you should check the given stack is empty or not. If that stack is empty, we can't delete an element, which means there will be no element in that stack, so deletion is not possible. Before we delete an element from a stack or to display all the elements, we must ensure that stack should not be empty. Okay, if it is not empty, the pop operation can be performed to delete or remove the top element and traversal. Okay, that we can discuss with an algorithm to check an empty stack. Next, we can discuss about algorithm to check an empty stack. Here 5 steps are given. Please look into this image, please look into this window. 5 steps are given. First step is start. Second step is stack length equal to length of stack. Count the total number of elements in the stack with the help of this step. Did you understand what I say? Stack length equal to length of stack. This step is used for counting total number of elements in the stack. Okay, then if stack length equal to blank square bracket, or if stack length equal to an empty square bracket, what is its meaning? Check whether the stack is empty or not. If that stack length is empty, print stack is empty. Go to step 5. Go to step 5 means end. Otherwise, if stack is not empty, it will move to fourth step, element equal to stack dot pop, which means removing element from the top of the stack. Did you understand what I say? Here 5 steps are there. First step is start. Second step is we are going to checking total number of elements in the stack with the help of this code. Second code, stack length equal to length of stack. Here len is used for counting total number of elements in the stack. It is a built-in function. Okay, then third step is if stack length equal to blank square bracket or empty square bracket. What is its meaning? Stack is empty. There is no element in the stack. Okay, so it will move to which step? Go to step 5. Okay, if stack is empty, deletion is not possible. Did you understand what I say? Stack length equal to blank square bracket or empty square bracket. What is its meaning? There is no element in the stack. So print stack is empty. Go to step 5 end. Then fourth step, if elements are there or elements are present in that particular stack, deletion is possible. In such a situation, it will move to fourth step, element equal to stack dot pop. What is its meaning? Element equal to stack dot pop means removing element from the top of the stack. Removing element from top of the stack. Okay, these are the 5 steps or algorithm to check an empty stack. Okay, in the page number 6.4 and 6.5 there are 2 algorithms are given, alternative algorithms are given for checking an empty stack. You can study any one algorithm. Okay. Next we can discuss about deleting an element from a stack. How to delete an element from a stack, or how to pop an element from a stack. Did you see here syntax are given list dot pop. Previously we given for addition or for push operation list dot append. Here for pop operation list dot pop. Okay, or list dot pop of I. What is its meaning? List dot pop of I means we are going to removing, or we are going to deleting, or we are going to popping element I from the stack. List dot pop of I. The index position I is optional with the function pop. The function pop removes the element from the stack. It also return the popped or deleted elements from the list. Okay, this is the syntax for deleting an element from a stack. Once again I repeating, list dot pop or list dot pop of I. List dot pop means a simple syntax. List dot pop of I means the element I is deleted from the stack. Okay, or the element I is popped from the stack. Okay, anyway today we can wind up our class. If you have any doubt, you can clarify, you can call me. Thank you, have a nice day.